Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we're looking at this 2026 ATC 2415. Sounds probably familiar to you because I did record one of these about 3 or 4 months ago. However, we got another one in and there's a different option. Usually they come with a wet bath. We got this one ordered in with a dry bath. So I'll roll the intro and get right into it.
Got an RP review, come and hear what I say. From the bedroom to the kitchen, all the nooks and crannies. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be amazing. Walk through Wednesday, come take a tour. Check every feature and you want more. Walk through Wednesday, hit the road with it. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be amazing.
Okay, starting at the back here, I do have the gate down for the patio and the rear awning out, so you can see what that looks like. I didn't set up all the railing. I'm just going to do a quick go around. If you want to see the more detailed video, look for that one. I'll put a link up here on the screen to that one. Sewer outlet here. This does have the torsion suspension, a little bit more aggressive tires on it. I'm sorry, that's not the oh my goodness, that's not sewer outlet. That is where you can store your sewer hose. Sewer outlets are up here. You've got black there and gray there. 50 amp power supply there. Actually, I'm sorry, this one only has 30 amp. Outdoor shower, suburban furnace. You get your water heater here. Inside here is your city water connection, fresh water connection. We'll pop that open for you real quick. So hook your hose up there. Actually, this is for winterize and sanitation. That's where you hook your normal hose up to, and you can flip it to city or flip up here and that'll fill your fresh water tank up. And then you can also run your pump from here. That is a black tank flush there. And coming around front on this one, you've got some storage into, actually that's going to be access to your water heater there. Storage on the other one. Power tank. This is the new Lippert Power Smart Jack. So you can actually press and hold the buttons for 5 seconds and it will set a hitch height memory if you hold both of them together. You can also recall the hitch height by pressing the up and down 3 times together, holding it on the third, and it'll activate it and take it right to the hitch height for you. So that's kind of easy when hooking up and tearing down. Connection down there for your grill gas. Got some couch arms here. A lot of deck accessories on there as well. More access to that over here. So you've got your ladder and such in there. Huge awning. I love the paint on this. They call this medium charcoal. We've had some customers say that looks black. Well, no. Yeah. Charcoal here, black there. Black is definitely really, really black. Let's go on inside. So the 2415 has got a longer garage to it. So you've got actually a shorter, smaller kitchen. So not a lot of counter space. Same refrigerator as the others. Everything else is going to be pretty much the same. Those you got to give a good slam. The reason is these are really tough to hook up because they've done this refrigerator they can put in multiple models that will open either way. So you got to get it. After it wears in a while, it's not quite as bad. Convection microwave because there is no stove. Plenty of storage. I'm just kind of going through it quick. I'm not sure we ordered the oven with all this, but we've got the bench in here. This bench will fold down into a bed as well. Table folds down out of your way. 32-inch TV. Got the new style bed on there. Let's let me pull it up here. That's awning. Utilities, bed lift down. So we can bring that down. This is the new Happy Jack style. It goes down quite a ways, actually. It'll almost touch these bundle of chairs and deck railing accessories there. There is a ladder there to go off the deck. There's a railing for the back of the deck. And this is set up just right with this bench, just forward enough that you don't have to take it up out of the way to get the bed in and out. This does have the life track system. So you can see that black rail and the black rail up here. You can put accessories such as that cabinet right there. That can be moved. You can unbolt that and move it anywhere. As a matter of fact, they even give you the tool right here to move it with. It's an Allen head screw. And you just go in here and you'll pop those screws loose back there. And you can just pull that off and adjust it to wherever you want. If you don't like it here, you can move it forward, you can move it backward, you can move it over on this side. You could order more of those cabinets, put them anywhere you want. So as you can see, the bed is great because it gets it down to us old people size, so I can get up on that easily and comfortably instead of having it only come halfway down and have to get a ladder to get up on it. So I like that option a lot better. Up front here, I got the door wide open up here. We'll just go into that. So you do have some cabinets over here for storage. So they're a little smaller than what is in the one with the wet bath, but they're also angled so your doors are on this side, not on this side. But they move that around because they increase the height or the size of this. So instead of having a wet bath where that shower is, you've got some wall here, some wall there, and you've got an actual real dry toilet. You got a fold down sink that you can use and a real medicine cabinet in it. So a lot of differences in this one. So I really like the dry bath better than the wet bath myself, but the shower curtain here, it'll pull out to give you a ton of room in there. Definitely Fluffy certified. Yeah, let me double check. I say that it is, and then sometimes it is not. Let's see. Well, I got a little tight on this side, but other than that, I've got all kinds of room on this side. So, Fluffy certified. So then we come up out of here, and you've got bunks up front here. And just like the other model with the wet bath, you got one bunk, you've got some drawers down at the bottom here. And you got this bunk that will lift up out of the way if you wanted more head space in here. Or you can use that for storage up there, what have you. So awesome little unit, guys. I'll go and sit down here and we'll get you some numbers on this. Okay, I'll put a QR code here. That'll take you up to our website. You can get all the specs and everything on there as well. Pricing on that is the manufacturer's advertised pricing. That's because it's the 2026. That's the price that all dealers have to advertise for their pricing of the unit. I could probably get to you for a lot less than that. I'll put my name and number up on the screen and you can call me and we'll discuss price if need be. Let's see, so the Play 450, 2415, 29 foot 1 inches long, 10 foot 6 wide, excuse me, 10 foot 6 inches tall, 8 foot 6 inches wide, 7 foot inside interior. Garage length is on this one is 15 feet. So definitely fit a lot of toys in there. The garage width, 86 inches. And the garage height is 81. GVWR, 9,900 pounds. Dry weight, 5,600. Cargo carrying capacity, 4,390. You can get a pretty big toy into one of these. I just sold one of these, actually the last one that I recorded, sold it to a guy who had a big side-by-side K&M in it. Wouldn't fit in his current one, but fit in this just fine. Two 5,000 pound axles. They are the torsion rod. Manual stabilizers. Powered tongue jack. Hitch weight, the 940. This does have the 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Let me see what brand this is. I think these are the new. Nope, that's the GE Profile. So I do believe that that has a heat pump in it as well. Let's see. 6-gallon water heater. Tank sizes, we've got 48-gallon freshwater, and black and gray are both 45-gallon each. This unit has 400 watts of solar, so it has the upgraded solar package on it with a 2,000 watt inverter. 16 foot on the front awning, 8 foot on the back. The refrigerator is a standard 6.2 Furrion 12 volt. Comes with the 32-inch TV. This bunk I'm sitting on, this Happy Jack, it is a true queen. So it is a true 60 by 80. The bunks up front, one is 36 by 80 and the other is 48 by 80. And let's see. Does have tank heaters on it. Tires 225, 75, 15, 10 plies. That's kind of it for this one. If you guys are interested in this, I'll put my number and email up here on the screen. It'll be 319-775-0312 is my cell number. You can get me at rkolsik@atcrvcenter.com. If you have any questions on that, if you're in the Cedar Rapids, Iowa area, again, just stop by. We're at 850 66th Avenue, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 52404. And again, I'll have a QR code up on the top here. Scan that and it'll take you to our website. Take a look at it there and more pictures and such on it. As always, guys, happy camping. We'll see you on the next one.
Rolling on the road, life untold in our abode, endless sights where we rode, love and dreams will be bestowed. Morning sun, our travel guide, city lights where we reside. Every turn's a joyride.